one big eruption for sure.
Yeah, let's pour a little more, guys.
More.
How is it?
That's so good. I think I'm gonna pour it all
This is
now.
better.
I'm gonna pour it all now.
Wow.
Oh, that's getting sweet. Hi guys, welcome to my show. So Enrica brought me this cool thing. It's you can build your own volcano from Natural Geographic. So the contents are one volcano mold, a plaster of Paris, 3 colors of paint, eruption powder, sodium bicarbonate. Eruption powder is sodium bicarbonate. 1 stir stick, 1 paintbrush, 1 rubber band, 2 volcanic cements,
Yeah.
learning guide, and instructions.
And instruction. What you did here?
So I added 250 millimeters of water.
Yeah.
Then added some volcano plaster. Then kept on adding more and keep on stirring it, stirring it, stirring it, stirring it, stirring it.
Now what would you do the next?
Now they say to do next.
We will put this plaster in this mold.
Yes, once the plaster is mixed and ready, pour it into the volcano mold. After pouring, gently tap the sides of the mold to remove any air bubbles. Let it sit for 30 to 45 minutes.
Let's do
Let's
it.
do it.
Let's put the...
Carefully do it. Careful. Be careful, okay?
Yeah. It's coming. It's coming.
Okay, it's not that thick. So it's been more than 35 minutes and now the mold is dry. So let's take off these side places. Okay, so this is how my volcano looks like. Do you think it's pretty good? So here, I'll put it down.
Ooh, look at the
Look at that.
side. Now we will...
Now we will move on to step 5.
Step 5. We will put this in the oven for 2 hours on 200 Fahrenheit. Or we will put it outside in sunny for 2 days. Then we will paint it.
So it says, okay, so here's my volcano. So we put it in the oven for 1 hour, took it out and then painted. Doesn't it look beautiful?
Yeah, let's paint
Alright,
it.
now we're gonna paint it. Now we're gonna use a little bit of gray here.
It's fun painting. You
Yeah.
are doing good.
Just stay like a pencil and goes tippy down like a very dancer. Okay, so we are ready to erect this volcano. I want to call it Yellowstone volcano.
Okay.
So the Yellowstone volcano will erupt again after thousands of years. Finally.
So what did you do?
So we put in some eruption powder. And when we put vinegar into the eruption powder, it will create a chemical reaction and boom!
You look excited. Let's do it.
It's gonna be the moment of truth.
Let's go and see.
Okay. So
Yeah. Pour it. Let's do it.
I made it more explode.
Wow.
Okay, this is the best.
Whoa.
That's one big eruption for sure.
Yeah, let's pour a little more, guys.
More.
How is it?
Good. I think I'm gonna pour it all
This is
now.
better.
I'm gonna pour it all now.
Wow.
Oh, that's getting sweet. Okay.
Alrighty. Oh my God.
This is
Let's make a more eruption here. Let's see, guys, how it works. Let's do it, Japji. Go ahead. Go ahead.
3, 2.
Slow.
Oh, giant
Eruption.
Okay. We're gonna add some dish soap into the eruption powder soon.
Yeah, we can add
And
dish
then
soap
it'll be really bigger.
to make bubbles.
Make more bubbles.
Slow pouring
I'll-
again. Whoa!
Whoa! It's like this. You got some
That's
more
so cool.
vinegar. We got more vinegar left.
That is so cool. I loved it.
This is the best.
Yeah.
Look at that volcano's lava.
Yeah, it's okay. Oh, excited?
Thank you, Enrica. I think this was the best.
Yeah.
Best. Thank you so much.
It looks
Enrica.
real. Let's
It
try
looks
more.
real. Yellowstone volcano will erupt again in 3, 2, 1.
Whoa! Oh my god.
Let's do some more maybe if you want. So, if you look at explosion from that last time, let's see. If we add some this up to the eruption powder to get bigger explosions.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Let's pour.
I'll
slow.
do 2 or 3 drops. Slow.
Whoa!
Let's put bigger eruption for sure.
Yeah, let's pour a little more, guys.
More.
How is it?
That's
Oh!
good. I think I'm gonna pour it all
This is
out.
better.
I'm gonna pour it all out.
Whoa!
Oh, that's getting sweet.
Woo!
Okay, so we added more this soap with eruption powder. And let's see
Pour
if we'll
slowly.
get a bigger explosion. That's
Whoa!
way
Yes.
bigger. Okay, why don't I pour it all of
Okay,
it?
all right.
Let's just wait for the bubble to get out a little bit. Let's wait some time. So that fizz will go bloop. If that big bubble pops, then it'll go.
All right, let's do it.
Wait for it to empty a little bit. And it's like creating a fidget spinner. Look at all that
Ew.
fizz.
Amazing. How was that experiment?
Amazing.
Guys, tell us in the comment
Guys,
section.
tell us in the comment section how you loved it. And plus, thank you, Enrica, for sending me this thing. It's so good.
It's so good. Thank you.
Thank you. And bye.
Let's do one more time.
So let's do one more time. The Yellowstone volcano erupts one more time. People will panic. Yeah. Okay. Well, can I do it all of it then?
Okay.
Whoa,
Whoa!
that was a lot.
Still coming out.
There's still more.
I'll go back and